everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of enhanced security on Binance. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a Google Authenticator with Binance, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. And once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the top to access your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the security option and give that a tap. Among the security option, locate Google Authentication Binance and tap on it. Here, you'll find Virus Authenticator App option. I recommend using Google Authenticator for its reliability. Tap on link. You can either follow the tutorial or, if you're familiar, skip it. Once you're ready, tap copy to copy the key. Now, switch to the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button and choose Enter a Setup Key. Paste the key, then enter a name like Binance and tap Add. Now, every time you open Google Authenticator, you'll see a constantly changing code. Copy this code when prompted for verification on Binance. The added layer of security ensures that whenever you log in or perform sensitive actions, Binance will ask for this dynamic code. It helps protect your account from unauthorized access. And there you have it. Your Binance account is now fortified with Google Authenticator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Have you implemented two-factor authentication on your Binance account, or do you have any question about the process? Drop your thoughts or queries in the comments below. I'm here to assist. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, stay secure and I'll catch you in the next video.